guess you always wanted to do that trend that you, the effect that you can do the emoji just like that. Just like this. First go in here, get that, and then you want to get that. So just in case. Because this doesn't work on heart. But when you go right here,
Bumibelo ka lang kasi sa mga tatanong mo ba para
but
makasagot
in
yan.
this, it doesn't work.
May parlor ka.
But again, this it works.
Paano ka nila
But when you do it in here, it doesn't
sa
work.
presinto.
Because
Punta sa presinto siya.
Pupunta na sa presinto yung magpapahinga mo, papaisang
when you
buhok.
put it in
Palalabasin
the big
siya?
one,
Naka-platter ba siya ngayon?
Ay, available.
Tapos
you can
papalabas
just
eh.
tap
Si number
it.
1, nag-aaral ka pa, hindi na.
I paused for year 4.
Bakit? Ano no? Due to ano?
Ito yung financial circumstances.
Guys, watch this.
Simula po kasi
I
high school
like
ako lang
to do another video. So,
So,
so
contest po ako, nag-break
So,
po ako sa fast
for
food. And right now po,
a
nag-upgrade
tutorial
po ako
by
ng
the
products sa
Heart
YouTube. Nag-live po ako.
Oh. Daming bibili yan, syempre.
always listen to my tutorials, okay? Only use this.
Dinamad ka ng mag-aaral.
Pen.
Kasi
Yes,
simple.
simple.
kasi sabi mo financial circumstances, sabi mo ang dami mong racket.
Oo,
Nagpo-model ka, nag-a-affiliate ka sa TikTok, di ba enough mo kung ano, suffice
1, 2, 3, go. Nobody. 1, 2, 3, go. So you can start. Okay, continue.
And then, I decided po na mag-stop po muna. Pero, it doesn't mean hindi po ako babalik sa pag-aaral.
Kasi,
What?
nandito yung average niya sa school, no?
Oo, at saka sa honor student ka eh. Ilang gano'n ka nakatagal dito?
Last year lang po ako graduate. Kumbaga 1 year lang.
Tutorial guys, remember this.